Are you guys okay? Hey boys, who wants a cookie? Want a cookie? Day 12. Oh, you need to be nicer. Toe.
Are you thirsty? Gob, 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 gob. Oh, it's a baby Ollie.
Does that one look funny? This is YouTube video. Okay. Come in. I don't want to work for Christmas. That was really good of me. What is in his mouth? What? He's a piece of wood stuck. What? Oh my gosh. What? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What is that? Ow! And he's biting me. Yeah, he's got wood stuck in the roof of his mouth. Did you get it? I got it. Oh my goodness. Oh, that was like, it was like one of those. It smells bad. Ew. Go throw it away. You think that's been in there a while, or do you think you just put? Mom, I'm gagging. Ollie, how long has that been in there? Come on. Me and Ollie are gonna play peekaboo. Maybe we'll play with lamb chop. This is lamb chop. We had lamb chop when we first got Ollie when he was a little pup. Ollie. I had lamb chop. He used to pull his tongue out. It used to have its little tongue and it used to pull out, but he ripped it off and he ate lamb chop's tongue. A frosty paw? Of course he wants the paper. We're trying to get some good music for you guys and good editing, but some days we don't really have anything to do and we kind of have to vlog around the house and everything. Sometimes we're just home. Enjoy the video because it's Ollie, and who doesn't like to see Ollie eat? Oh.